Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Pusheen game controller. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a line across. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve up and down for the ears. Now let's continue the shape of the body by hopping out and let's draw a curve all the way down to the bottom. Then let's curve it up and in, stopping here. Now at the bottom, let's draw two circles. And then another one inside each one. Now in between, let's add a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the controller. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center at the top and let's bring it down and curve it up. And the same thing on the right and the left. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw two curves going out and up for the mouth. And then two circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw two curves on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and draw the buttons. Let's start with two ovals in the center. And then on the right side, let's add a circle. Two underneath. And one at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the left side. Let's start with a line across. Bring it down from each end. Then out. And then bring it down and in. Then two lines down at the bottom. And then close it off. Now lastly, let's hop up to the top and let's draw two more buttons, starting with the curve out from the ears. And bring it down. And that's it for this Pusheen game controller. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!